Hello guys, it's Switch here with another video on Tsubasa Rivals, and today I'm just gonna show you the new update, which is crazy good NFT sale. Although I don't have any exchange and also I don't have any assets to buy anything from this, but we just need to be patient. And basically what's going to happen for those people who are just playing totally for free, as I do, we will receive the John coins, I believe so, that's the name of the coin. Ajon coin. So we are going to receive this on the airdrop, and when we're going to receive this, we basically we are going to able to buy the cards. So end of story. But for now, you can actually go here, and it's card mission. You can press the card mission, and you will have Ajon coins by collecting the types or the same types of cards. But like I said, one more time, we're just waiting for airdrop. But for those people who are interested about the cards, you can go to that list button over there on the left, and then you will see actually what kind of NFTs cards we are able to get. And then if you are going to press one of those cards, you will see every type of card, and then always the last one is going to be like Super Cyan, whatever it is, name of the card. So like it's going to be super shiny, super colorful, and obviously everybody wanna get the last one because it looks super cool. So that's pretty much almost what I really want to say here. I'm just gonna go like super briefly through everything, because at the end of the day, if you wanna play this game, you can just go through my ref. So I will have the comics cut. I think I need one more person to actually unlock the comics cut. So yeah, which that's gonna give me better airdrop. And you can actually learn about this in your wallet tab, but just give me a second. So we have the details and provision rate. So if you're gonna press any of those, that will just basically show you the booster card lottery probabilities, but not really like I'm really interested about this. And then we can buy like 10 cards or 100 cards, and we can buy the rival coins purchase. But like I said, like I don't have any money exchange, so I can't really do this. Other than that, for those who don't know how to play this game, you just log in once per day, and you just have the balls, and you just use those points in order to basically buy cards. And this is basically the game which mining you the points. That's it. So you just log in once for like literally 2 minutes. You're just spending the points, and I'm just gonna spend the points off on my special cards, and this is going to be my comics cuts. So I'm just going to upgrade some comics cut if actually I can. I have enough? No. 2 million. No, I don't even have enough points. I can upgrade this one. Okay, so I'm just going to upgrade this one. Don't have enough points to upgrade anything else, but that doesn't really matter. It's like as long as you actually spending like majority of your points. Oh, okay, 400. I still had something. So as long as you're spending majority of your points, you're good. So I have like 700 points, which is like still a lot. You just simply need to choose something else to upgrade. So I can go my team, and I can go stadium, I believe so, and you can just check the levels. So everything what's below 15, definitely you'll be able to upgrade. Well, in some cases not, but should be significantly lower than higher levels, although everything is high right now. Okay, so I just spent majority of my points. And that's it. That's what you're doing. You're just logging once to this game, and you're just gathering the balls. And on the last tab, wallet tab, you're connecting your wallet, your Telegram wallet. Then you have the total balls. That's going to be important for the airdrop. Unlock incoming cards, unlock players count, players level sum. So obviously you wanna level up every character. I'm trying first to level up everything to level 15, because if you level up to level 15 your characters, you will unlock different things. Well, that's actually telling you below the picture you are upgrading. So I'm just gonna show you right now, just for as a reference. You're just going to my team, you're just going to the players tab. We're in the players tab, and be somewhere, or maybe because I unlocked everything, so it's not gonna tell us. Basically, you just choosing the character which is not unlocked, and below will tell you what is going to be, excuse me, how to unlock this character. So I still have that somewhere, believe so. Okay, so that's the like the example what I'm giving you. So the team meeting, to unlock the team meeting, we need the team culture on level 8. And then this team culture is on level 7, so I need to upgrade this to the level 8, which I'm not able to because I don't have the points right now, and that's going to be upgraded. So unlocked, excuse me. So basically it's like self-explanatory, it's nothing really hard to understand here, just need to see it, read through a bit, and that's going to be seasonal airdrop game as well. They're just announcing right now NFTs, but I think they have much more ideas in the future. So just stay tuned for updates and enjoy the game, because it's a cool game. Maybe it's not really much to it right now, but well, at the end of the day, we are going to get some airdrops. We are going to be able to get some cards. And my background is, by the way, I used to play like 30 years Magic the Gathering. I kind of like sort of collectible NFTs games, if that makes sense. So definitely worth to try, because at the end of the day, you don't need to spend any money, and we are just basically waiting for the airdrop. So hopefully it's going to be announced soon, because I don't really know the exact date yet, but everything is going to be on the X and on the Telegram. So stay tuned for this one. I will obviously do the update, maybe not like instantly, but if I will see, I will definitely do the update, whatever, day after or 2 days after, about what's going on. So stay tuned for this one. Okay, though, take care, guys. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.